Thank you. Apollo. Just be friendly. Apollo! Oh my god, Mom.
Get it. Oh, that's alright, they're not going to kill you. Boy, don't run, they'll chase you.